Hello students, welcome to my channel. The purpose of my channel is to solve maths problems in a step-by-step manner, providing explanation for easy understanding. If you have any doubts, please feel free to reach out to me. I would be more than happy to address your concerns. Also, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So getting to the actual content of the video, the textbook that we are going to solve is this one, Maths Blaze, an integrated approach to joyful learning by Kipps, Class 8. The chapter that we are going to solve is number 6, that is Algebraic Expressions and Identities. We picked Master Station section for our maths problems. So here we go. The first question is, find the sum of 6 plus y minus y square minus y cube and y plus 6 plus 3y cube minus 4y square. The solution is, the given two expressions are 6 plus y minus y square minus y cube and y plus 6 plus 3y cube minus 4y square. We find the sum of expressions using column method. So now we arrange the like terms in both the expressions one below the other. While doing so, we start with the highest degree of the polynomial, which is 3. In this case, it's as this. We write the first expression first and then write the second expression below that. After arranging in the said manner, we have to add the like terms. And these like terms are minus y cube plus 3y cube is equal to 2y cube, minus y square minus 4y square equal to minus 5y square, y plus y equal to 2y, and 6 plus 6 equal to 12. So the sum of the given two expressions is 2y cube minus 5y square plus 2y plus 12. Hence, the sum of the given two expressions is 2y cube minus 5y square plus 2y plus 12. The second question is, what must be added to x cubed plus 4x minus 7 to get x squared plus 6x minus 9? The solution is, so what must be added to the expression x cubed plus 4x minus 7 to get the expression x squared plus 6x minus 9? In order to decide how to proceed further in solving this, let's make some assumptions as below. Let's assume the expression x cubed plus 4x minus 7 as a, and the expression x squared plus 6x minus 9 as b, and the expression that we need to find out as c. So what c must be added to a to get b? In other words, a plus c is equal to b. So c is equal to b minus a. Now let's replace our assumptions with expressions and arrange them using horizontal method. So c is equal to x squared plus 6x minus 9 minus x cubed plus 4x minus 7. Let's expand the expressions. C is equal to x squared plus 6x minus 9 minus x cubed minus 4x plus 7. Group the like terms together and then subtract. So c is equal to minus x cubed plus x squared plus 6x minus 4x minus 9 plus 7. So c is equal to minus x cubed plus x squared plus 2x minus 2. Hence, minus x cubed plus x squared plus 2x minus 2 must be added. The third question is, find the value using suitable identity for 47 square minus 13 square by 25. The solution is, we have to find the value of 47 square minus 13 square by 25 using appropriate identity. As we can see in the numerator part of the given expression, it's in the form of a square minus b square. We know the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 47 square minus 13 square is equal to 47 plus 13 into 47 minus 13. So 47 square minus 13 square by 25 is equal to 47 plus 13 into 47 minus 13 by 25, which is equal to 60 into 34 by 25, that is 12 into 34 by 5, which is equal to 408 by 5, and that is 81.6. Hence the value is 81.6. Question number 4 is, Find the value of p if 10,000 p is equal to 9983 square minus 17 square. The solution is the given equation is 10,000 p is equal to 9983 square minus 17 square. We have to find the value of p. P is equal to 9983 square minus 17 square by 10,000. In the numerator part of the given expression, we can see that it's in the form of a square minus b square. We know the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So p is equal to 9983 plus 17 into 9983 minus 17 by 10,000. P is equal to 10,000 into 9966 by 10,000. We cross out 10,000 in the numerator and denominator. So P is equal to 9966. Hence the value of P is 9966. Question number 5 is simplify 1 by 3a minus 1 by 2b whole square minus 1 by 3ab. So the solution is the given expression to simplify is 1 by 3a minus 1 by 2b whole square minus 1 by 3ab. We know the identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 1 by 3a minus 1 by 2b whole square minus 1 by 3ab is equal to 1 by 3a square minus 2 into 1 by 3a into 1 by 2b plus 1 by 2b square minus 1 by 3ab. So that is equal to 1 by 9a square minus 1 by 3ab plus 1 by 4b square minus 1 by 3ab. So that is 1 by 9a square minus 2 by 3ab plus 1 by 4b square. Hence the simplified expression is 1 by 9a square minus 2 by 3ab plus 1 by 4b square. The sixth question is the perimeter of a triangle is 25x square minus 20x plus 11. If two of its sides are 4x square plus 7x minus 2 and 7x square minus 2x plus 11, find its third side. The solution is it's given that the perimeter of a triangle is 25x square minus 20x plus 11. So P is equal to 25x square minus 20x plus 11. And two of its sides are 4x square plus 7x minus 2 and 7x square minus 2x plus 11. Let's assume the sides of the triangle are A, B, C. So A is equal to 4x square plus 7x minus 2 and B is equal to 7x square minus 2x plus 11. We know that the perimeter of a triangle is equal to A plus B plus C, where A, B, and C are the sides of the triangle. So P is equal to A plus B plus C. In other words, A plus B plus C is equal to P. C is equal to P minus A minus B. Now let's replace the variables with the given expression. So C is equal to 25x square minus 20x plus 11 minus 4x square plus 7x minus 2 minus 7x square minus 2x plus 11. Expand the brackets and write C is equal to 25x square minus 20x plus 11 minus 4x square minus 7x plus 2 minus 7x square plus 2x minus 11. Group the like terms together and write C is equal to 25x square minus 4x square minus 7x square minus 20x minus 7x plus 2x plus 11 plus 2 minus 11. So C is equal to 14x square minus 25x plus 2. Hence the third side of the triangle is 14x square minus 25x plus 2.